Scientists believe the Big Bang created equal amounts of matter and antimatter. They wonder now why they didn't just cancel each other out.
Had this happened, and physicists call it the annihilation catastrophe, had it happened, then there wouldn't be any stars or planets.
Something tilted the balance, and UVA physicist Craig Dukes is part of an international team and a $280 million ghost hunt investigating a particle that has survived since the beginning of time.
Neutrinos are the ghosts of the subatomic world. They interact less than any of the other known particles. Even though we are constantly bombarded by them, in fact, something like 650 trillion of them are hitting you every second, it took 30 years to prove that they exist at all. Neutrinos originate from nuclear reactions.
Don Lincoln is senior scientist at the Fermi Lab, which has embarked on this $280 million neutrino ghost hunt, and UVA's Dr. Craig Dukes is part of it.
And so they pretty much go through anything without really interacting. And so the detector that we have, for instance, in northern Minnesota, is 14,000 tons, and it has to be very large because you have to have a lot of mass to get them to interact at all.
Fermilab fires them 500 miles at almost the speed of light and looks for changes in the journey.
And we just get every day a handful of interactions in our detector.
Scientists believe the NOVA experiment will help them to understand energy, matter, space, and time, and perhaps even the question, to be or not to be.
But something tipped the balance, and you think the neutrino might help you figure out what it was.
Exactly.
For Science Matters, I'm Charles Fishburne, WCBE News.